Wamedo timo mos ne familia mare. Kawadhi mbele en ni sikund praimar kod sekondar ma Nyakemincha e kaunti ma Nyamira kwano lal tok yamo mager walo tado e sikund mar sekondar. Mwandu manengogi poko yangi okethore ka yiende bende nolwar e wi choche mag sikunduno. Kaluwore koda jadak mag alworano manotony bang' yiend lwar e utegi, masirano notimore saa 9 kogwen e seche mane koth mager ne chwe. Jatend jopuonje mag sikunduno wacho ni masirano okelo kethruok maduong' kendo gikwayo mondo ochiwnegi kony kapok sikunde oyaw. Jod bura ma South Mugirango Steve Mogaka osingo ni sikundego biro yudo kony mar loso gik mokethore.
Sasa kusikia kama kitu imeanguka na mtoto alikuwa nje, mtoto akakimbia kwa nyumba. Kukimbia kwa nyumba akasema nimesikia kuoga kitu imeanguka. Sasa kutoka nje tukaona giza kwa sababu hii paa ilikuwa nyeusi. Sasa tukashinda ni nini, kuangalia kidogo tukaona ni paa.
It's a very unfortunate incident that has taken us several steps back. But we thank God that there were no injuries. There were no life lost. It is only the roof that was blown off several meters from the school compound. We've invited the public works officer to assess the damage and give us a report on why that roof gave in.
After assessment has been done, if they can help me repair the toilet or construct a new one, I think I'll be comfortable. And even besides that, if you look at the topography of the school, it is not good. There's a lot of erosion going down.
And I want to assure the Nyakemincha community that we will do what it takes to restore their roof and the affected toilets before the children come back to school in a week or so.
Maromo kanyero ganda gana berio ma Oula